everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I have a very special unboxing to share with you guys. Back in November I ordered something from Ohm. Now this is a custom product. Once you order it, that's when they make it, and that's why it takes so long for it to ship out. I think they say it takes a minimum of about 6 weeks for them to ship your bead out to you. And so I did get one. I'm really excited about it. I first saw it on Emily, who is fashion storyteller. On her channel, she was sent it, just to review and play around and share. And I fell in love, and I thought, oh, this would be a dream bead to have. And yeah, I finally have it. They did have a sale going on at that time on these, and so the bead I'm talking about, it's called Wings of Protection 2.0. So this is the box that it came in. It was wrapped in this, and I did take this off just to save time, but I haven't opened the box. So I love the box. Look how beautiful the box is with all the butterflies. Here it says Ohm. And then here it has OhmBeads.com, and then you have the butterfly wings, which I think you open, yes. So you kind of, I don't want to break this. Let's see. Okay, so I've opened that. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh, and I see more butterflies. Oh, it says Wings of Protection 2.0 by Ohm. And it's just a certificate. It's my authenticity certificate, and I got number 11. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. And inside there is a wooden box. Inside that box there is this wooden box. It just says Ohm on here, and you open it, and there's a little bag with the Ohm symbol, and there's some stuffing in there. So, oh my gosh, oh my god, you guys, oh, I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm actually holding, I cannot believe it. I've been wanting this for 2 years now, I think. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. Look at the detail even inside. Look at the detail on the wings. And I love how the antenna on the butterfly are making this heart, and it curls in. It's so pretty. Look at the eyes and the body. Oh, the details. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm almost speechless. What does it say here? It just says number 11, which is the number on my authenticity certificate. So this is actually 2.0. Ohm had released a limited edition version, 2.1 Wings of Protection, where they had like a baby nestled in between the wings of a butterfly. Oh, I would love to find that one day, but it's so hard to come by. But I'm so happy that I finally have this one. Oh my. So you can actually put this either like this on a necklace or a bracelet or whatever you want to do, or you could do it this way. And so it would either sit this way, or maybe I could try it on my fantasy necklace, or I have the Ohm ball from Ohm, so maybe I could thread that through here and then put it on a chain or something. Oh my gosh, but look how beautiful. I cannot get over how beautiful this piece is, how detailed, and it's a heavy piece. It's solid silver, very well made. I had not seen any unboxings of this particular bead until Angie from Daily Charm Addict. She did it a couple of weeks ago, because I think she ordered one at the same time I did. And oh, this is so, so, so beautiful. I'm so happy that I finally have this. I know that when Emily had gotten this to, you know, play with, I had asked her if we could fit a glass bead or maybe one of the petites or something, you know, the petite facets from Pandora in here, or maybe a go round from Troll Beads. But unfortunately, I don't think you can fit it and then have it go both ways. I'm sure I can put one in here and just through in here. I'll have to play with this a little bit, and then maybe I can give you guys an update on how I can style it. But for now, I think I'll either put my own ball through it or my fantasy necklace and wear it that way, because this is just stunning. But anyways, you guys, this is my Wings of Protection 2.0. This is what I wanted to share with you guys today. As I said, it's a very special piece, and I'm so happy that I finally was able to order it, because I didn't think I would be able to. And oh, since we're here, let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Pandora Me ruthenium plated bracelet, and I have the black pave links. And this is my Pandora Me necklace that I have twisted around my wrist, and I've added the links that I took from my ruthenium bracelet, and I've added those here. And then I also have the round connector in Pandora Rose, and then it fits me perfectly, you know, if I twist it 3 times around my wrist. And I really love that look. I'm so in love with the Pandora Me collection, and I'm wearing my rings. And so yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.